Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one WhatsApp chatbot that is very useful. So you can click a picture of any question that you have in an NCERT CBSE textbook. So I have clicked one of the picture of a question that I found in a CBSE textbook. So I have already clicked the picture. Now I am sending it to the chatbot. It's called Doubtbot. So let me send that. So what Doubtbot does is it will look for this question and comes up with a solution. This is the text solution, this is video solution. So let me tell you about Doubtbot. Doubtbot is India's first instant doubt solving platform. So just click the image of the question, crop the question and get an instant video solution. It is available for physics, chemistry, maths, biology from classes 6 to 12th. Up to JEE, NEET and NDA. So CBSE board, UP, Bihar and other state boards are also available. So now if you see my question that I sent it's on series LCR circuit. Okay, so now if I open the video solution, I can see series LCR circuit. This is the question. Now if you will see on advertisement, you can skip that advertisement easily. Then you will see.
Hello students, so the question is a series LCR circuit with L is equals to 0.12 Henry.
So you know how to solve it now. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.